Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to the CAD-CAM library. In this video I'm gonna show you how to use the revolve boss space command and the features that are used in the revolve boss space command. So before starting the video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. To use the revolve boss space command, two things are required. First, the sketch should have to be a closed sketch and there should have to be a center line or a reference line around which we want to revolve it. So now let's start. Front plane sketch. First of all, I'll select the center line and draw a center line here. Let's say I'll draw 2 or 3 center lines, just like that. Now I'll draw my geometry. Let's say I select the corner rectangle and draw a simple corner rectangle here. Now go to the feature and here is the revolve boss space command. Click here. Now here is the option axis of revolution. Here we have to select the axis around which we want to revolve it. Let's say I'll select that axis. You can see it is revolved around 360 around that axis. You can check it. Now if I want that axis as axis of revolution, click here. You can see it is revolved around that axis. And if I select that line as axis of revolution, you can see it is revolved around that axis. And now if I select that line, you can check it, it is revolved around that axis. So if I select that line and click OK, you can see the part is created by using revolve boss space command. Now go to the edit feature again. Here are some features of revolve boss space: blind, up to vertex, up to surface, offset from surface and mid plane. If I select the blind, then it will blindly revolve up to that value. If I select 180, now you can see it is blindly revolved up to 180 degree. You can check it. Now if I select the up to vertex, it will revolve up to vertex. If I select up to surface, then I have to select the surface up to that surface I want to revolve it. Offset from surface, again I have to select the surface to that surface we want to offset it. And if I select that mid plane, you can check it, it is revolved equally in both directions. So now click OK. Now you can see the rectangle is revolved about 180 degree. Now from here I can also edit my sketch. Click here and here is a sketch and here edit sketch. Let's say I'll draw the circle in that rectangle, a small circle here. OK, and exit from the sketch. Now you can see the circle is revolved about 180 degree in that revolved rectangle. You can check it. So now again go to the edit sketch and here if I select the circle and draw a simple circle here and exit from here, now you can see that circle is also revolved about 180. You can check it. Now if I go to the appearance and select that color and click OK, now you can see these parts are designed by using the revolve command. I hope that you would like my video. Please subscribe the channel and follow the course in the CAD-CAM library.